Hello Unity game developers, I am Jogi Prasad Pakki, an individual software developer. Unity 3D is a good game engine for developing cross-platform games. Android game development with Unity we need to integrate some native features like alert deluxe, notifications and many more. Unity provides Android Java object and Android Java class. With this API class we can invoke Java methods. But creating Android native features with these API classes are complicated, really hard for beginners. Here, a Unity Android plugin will be focused. Android native code. Android native code gives you ability to access all native features with the simple APIs. You can download Android native code from Unity Asset Store at affordable price. Now I will show you some demo uses.